Hello everyone, in today's video will be how to make your header looks good. This website created by my subscriber and he contacted me to answer his questions. Okay, so this video will be for him. If you need some help or have some issues or questions, feel free to contact me by email in the description under this video. Just click more and here you can find the email where you can contact me. Also, if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave some tips for me or donates and simply click on this website and you can send me any amount you want, how you feel this video was helpful for you. Okay, so this video will be about the header and it looks weird and it's developed in wrong way, and basically this image looks weird and the responsive it's not really good too. As you can see, it's like okay, responsive looks like this, but I know where issues are, and here responsive looks just not good. Okay, we go to our editor and here we can see he created it as code, and you see it's CVG file image, and here is just text, I think. No, it's menu. Okay, so it's wrong way. You should, I will talk to you, my subscriber, okay? You should find some converter of CVG code into CVG file and convert your code into file. Okay, so click download. Here we have our file. Now we can use our header, our default Divi menu builder. Okay, so here is our file. We should just copy it and paste into this. You see, sorry, you are not able to upload this file type, so basically we need to add CVG support. I have another video about it and how to convert file to code. I have video too on the channel, you can find. And so basically we need to add CVG support for our website as client want to use CVG. So let's do CVG support plugin. It's tiny plugin, so no problems at all, and no any slowdown for website. Okay, I think let's try this one. Okay, activate, installed, and now our website should support CVG files. You basically edit it as code, and it's not really a good way to do it, as you lose your Divi header element. You can use responsive normally, and you can't modify it in the way you want. And as you can see, it looks really weird. Okay, by the way, it looks this logo is not the base shape, but we have what we have. So now we have here, you have here the menu element, and just click on the logo and replace your logo you have in PNG into CVG. You see, we added the plugin CVG for CVG support, so now our Divi supports CVG files, and it's still CVG, you see, CVG. Okay, and click upload an image. Now we should replicate our default Divi header into this one style. Okay, so let's do. Okay, it's not really in good shape, but that's okay. Let's try to copy. There is copy style, yeah, copy model style, and paste it here. Paste model style. So basically I copied style from this element and pasted into this, as menu looks pretty, should look same. Now we copy background. Let's do same. Copy section styles and put it right here. And where is our paste? I don't see any paste. Okay, I don't see any paste. Let's try again. Copy section styles. Paste section styles. Nice. So we have our header, which you here. This is your old header, and this is header which we just created. Okay, now we should edit the container to make it looks like your website. By the way, containers should be same through the whole website. I see you have issues like here is one size, here is smaller for some reason, here is bigger, here is again smaller. So this width should be same. Like imagine you have a line and just put it like this. It should be all in one line. So basically header should be in one line too, but we have what we have. Just in future, better use one style for whole website. Okay, so I'm not sure which size you used for the container. I will use mine. I'm not sure. If you don't like my style, you can adjust the width here, but basically we need something more standard. Okay, so max width 130. Okay, so now we see that our logo looks very big. So we can adjust logo size. All right. Well, I forgot sizing. Okay, so we go sizing, and here is logo max height. So let's do like 150. Right, 150 looks small for this font size. 180 looks good. Okay, so I think I can delete your version. I think you remember how you did it, but oh, there is some padding. Where is this padding? No padding? Why it's not on top? Why not on top? What the hell? Okay, it's good. It's good. Whew. Thankfully. Okay, so position. I think you had something like fixed here, right? Okay, it looked very weird. Yeah, you had fixed. Okay, so now it's overlay. I think it's even better. I'm not sure if you like it. So let's do sizing like 90%. This setting shouldn't be adjusted per row section. There is an area in the theme customizer where you adjust it for whole website. It shouldn't be per section. Okay, like this. So now we have that it looks very big. So let's make it spacing really smaller. Okay, and now we should adjust our element for menu to make it smaller too. It shouldn't be so big. Okay, much smaller. Nice. What left is to move menu to the right. I have the oh, there is some. Oh, it's mine. There is some tutorial on my channel. You can find it too. How to move the menu to the right. So basically, let's save it and let's update this one and see how it works. Okay, as you can see, CVG didn't load. I know this issue, but I will show you how to fix it too. I have another video on my channel. Yeah, I have a video about everything. Okay, so basically we need to move our menu to the right, and here how it makes it, like justify content, flex and it should be flex and for the styles. Okay, so design and advanced, custom CSS, model, I think, right? Wrapper, we need for wrapper. Let's try flex. What? Flex? Justify content. Justify content, flex and. Okay, didn't work. No wonder. Okay, I'm not sure which one is not menu like link totally. Okay, let's try to add here. Actually, it should work. I'm not sure why it doesn't work, and it really should work. Here, I think it's for flex and. Let's try important. It doesn't work. Okay, so let's just save and see why it doesn't work. We always can debug our code. I actually use for development my own presets, and justify content center. It's actually, so I don't write it every time, and this why I have issues with it right now. Okay, and justify content, it should be here, but it doesn't work. What the hell? Okay, let's try to use this one free type where justify content and justify content flex end. Okay, so we moved it to the end. Great, and now it still looks huge. If you want my opinion, this font is really big, and this logo is big too, and we really need menu should be like this size. But for this type of logo, it's not right format for font. I have for this type of header. Sorry. And the logo should be for this type of header like longer, like horizontal. And this square menu, for this type of menu, good to have vertical menu, like here logo and here menu. It would be better, but it's different style a bit, and it's more development here. So let's adjust our padding because it's still huge, and where the huge comes from, here I have no idea. Let's resize our refresh. Let's refresh our page and see now why our menu doesn't work. Okay, here we have menu, and you basically need to add, I think write this with 100% for the CVG image, because WordPress can't recognize the CVG image with. I have no idea why, but it can't. So let's try, I think here, with 100%. Actually, let's do free CSS. Okay, let's try this one. I hope it will work with 100%. Okay, it didn't work. It didn't work. Okay, but we have, by the way, here 100%. It just doesn't work for some reason. Important. You see, it's actually global thing, which should work. So let's just adjust it with 100%. Okay, so now we have our logo and we have our menu, but it still looks huge and it shouldn't be so big. So basically, why it doesn't work? It's still ignored. Okay. We need to write important. You add important if something doesn't work. So basically, you write important to rewrite previous styles. So you make your CSS more important than something else, but it still doesn't work. I have no idea why. I totally have no idea. Okay. So what we have here? Look, this really looks really weird. Let's try to find the solution with 100%. Okay, it should be good, but it doesn't. Good. Basically, it can be here also for sizing. Go to sizing and logo with. Try to put here 100%. Right. 180 pixels. It doesn't work right. It's not square. Logo height. Okay, alright. So we don't put height, we put width, and let's see if it works. Probably it will ignore our width. It will put our width, right? So we need to use width, not height, for this one. And you can see the logo, it has a lot of spaces around. You see at the top spaces, at the bottom spaces. This is why we have so huge gap here and here. So now we should write something like CVG remove borders. I use, yeah, remove border, or something like remove white space around. Okay, so here is our software. Put it, download. It's still CVG, don't worry. It's still CVG in the best quality your client needs. So now we can reload with new CVG, which will be without borders. You see, it's much bigger because it doesn't have borders. Great. And now we can finally make it really smaller to make it looks beautiful. Okay, and let's add some spacing on the top and the bottom to do not touch the lines, like 5 pixels, actually 10 pixels. Okay, 10 pixels looks much better. Okay, congratulations, you have the desktop version of logo, which looks like this. It's fixed, and to be true, I would make this like default font size, because you see your main title is same size as menu. It really shouldn't be like this. It should be like much smaller. And basically what's your theme font? Okay, it's tiny. Let's try 80 pixels. And I would suggest you really can adjust the menu as you want. I just made showed you your issues with logo, how to fix it, and I really just want to make it more something more like standard for industry, okay, for web development industry. Okay, it looks good, but I would still make with container width much smaller, but I can't, because for your website use this container and it's not right way to create. Okay, not sure why you have so much weird sections. Okay, don't matter. Oh, max width. Okay, so for future, don't touch container sizes at all. They should be adjusted here, like theme customizer. And there are global settings for your Divi theme. And you should start your development from the global settings. Like there are settings, and you can go to general settings, layout setting, and there is website content width. You install it for whole your website and do not touch it at all anywhere. Okay, I just close it. So basically, let's compare. I would make it smaller, but okay. So let's compare. Here is my version and here is your version. I think it looks pretty good. I don't know. Let me know if you like it. I would make logo still smaller because your header is smaller, and let's just make it smaller. Header shouldn't be so big. You still can adjust the numbers and make it bigger, smaller, whatever you want. Okay, so just like this. Let's try. Refresh. And basically this is, oh my god, this is my internet connection. And basically here what we have looks pretty good as for me. So now we can go to the responsive settings, and let's try how it works on responsive. It will not work, I promise you. Okay, so here we have some glitch. I know why, because you added the visibility settings for it on your previous version of header. But right now you don't need two headers, and the more section you create, even hidden, the more slower website you do, and the more sections you need to edit in some case. And you see the responsive doesn't have any issues, while here you had something like this. Where is it? Like this. You see this rem, it looks wrong, and this, it looks wrong. And now you have header like this. And now you can adjust it whatever you want and whatever you like and how you want to make it. What else I can do? I can do the settings for them. Okay, it's by the way still sticky. I want to adjust the drop-down menu and probably this line. I'm not sure where, actually why I'm not sure. I am sure where to do it in colors. So let's go to drop-down menu, and there is drop-down menu background color. You see drop-down menu lines. Let's do your, oh, you added here your global colors. That's great, nice work. And text color drop-down menu. Why it's not black? Where is it? Active menu. Okay. Why it's not black? I don't know. Mobile menu text color. Okay, and here I adjusted drop-down menu text color. I think I messed up something around. Don't worry. Okay, so let's try desktop. Our tablets looks good, and our mobile looks good. So we have our header. It was pretty easy, I think. If you still have some questions, let me know. If you don't have some questions, write comments below. If you guys who watched this, it was helpful for you, don't forget to send me some donation or write me a comment and subscribe, and I will be happy to help in your case. Okay, so this is the end of the video. Bye bye, see you in the next video.